Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. In the description box below, I'm going to put a link to my website. If you're working on a vehicle and you need some kind of technical help, there's a form there to fill out. Fill that form out and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Working on a Ford Explorer. Customer's complaint is the blower motor is making all kinds of noise. So I drove the car in and started looking around. This is what I found. If you look down in here, I'm pretty sure a rat got up in his glove box area and started building a nest in the blower motor. Other side here, look at all the debris. Even found some rat turds down there. So we're going to take it apart and see what we find. He went up inside this guy's car and built a nest. It's an easy fix. I'm going to take the 3 bolts out. There's 7 mils that hold the glove box in. Then we'll drop the blower motor and I'll show you how to do that. We'll reach your hands up in there and clean all the rat poop and paper out. Alright, 7 mils hold the glove box in. You want to take them out? Alright, before I climb in this nasty ass floor, we're going to clean all the crap out of it. Alright. This way when I'm sitting under working, I don't have to lay in a bunch of rat poop. You're going to unplug the plug from the blower motor. Snaps it like that. Bring it on down like that. If you look inside there, you can see all the paper, and that's where the mouse was building his nest, up inside the block. Look at all that. I'm going to try to go through the top of the blower box here and get all the rest of that cleaned out the best we can. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 5/16 wrench right here, and I'm going to take out these 3 bolts right here, and I'm going to take a utility knife and I'm going to score along this right here on the both sides and the bottom, and I'm going to be like a little hinge. I'll be able to raise it up and reach in there and get out the paper. This is the utility knife I'm going to use, and what I'm going to do is start right here. I'll score it just down here, and I'll come across to the bottom here, come this way, alright. After I scored it here and along the bottom, you pry up on it with a screwdriver and it breaks the seal, and you got a hinge, and that way you can get in there and clean debris out. Look at all this. This is everything that mouse brought up in there. Alright, after this is the mess that the mouse made up in there. Again, after we get done blowing all this out and cleaning all of it out, we're going to reverse procedure to install everything back, which is pretty simple. And then after we get all that done, he should have plenty of airflow coming through the ducts. But this was blocking all the airflow that a rat made.